Hi Caitlin, thank you for sending your problem to SnapMath and let's get started. Well, first of all, I want to just thank you for signing in for SnapMath and I hope it is very helpful for you. Also, our business hours I put right here are on Sunday through Thursday between 4 and 10 o'clock. Now, you can send a question whenever you want, but if you send it on these days, between these times, your questions will be answered within an hour. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Now, you send in this triangle and we're going to need to solve for x. Well, since this is a right triangle, we know it's a right triangle by this little box here. We're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which means a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are two legs, and c is what we call the hypotenuse. So, I know what my a is. I know what my b is. It's 5. And we're going to find out what c is. So, we simply do 5 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. And then 5 squared is 25. So we write that c squared. We add these up, we get 50 equals c squared. Now, to get rid of this square, because we just got to solve for c, we got to square root both sides. Okay? And then when we square both sides, these cross out, and we're left with c equals square root 50. But square root 50 can be reduced. It can be broken down. Let me show you how. So you write 50 and you have to do the prime factorization. So you got 25 times 2. I circle my prime numbers. And then 5 times 5. Okay? Now, within a radical, you need a pair of numbers for one of them to come out. So as you can see, I have a pair of 5s right here. So my final answer is going to be 5 on the outside of the radical, and then I'm left with this 2 inside. Alright? So, my x, which is our c, is 5 rad 2. Alright, Caitlin, I hope this was helpful. If you have time and you have a Facebook, please fan us on Facebook. Thanks so much for sending your problem, and we look forward to answering more problems in the future.